Okay, so here we have a fantastic arrival today, 2022 Audi RS3 Quattro Vorsprung. 41,500 miles, retailing for 46,990. This particular car has got full service history and outstanding specification across the board, with it being the Vorsprung spec. So as part of our preparation with this car, we will be doing an oil and filter service, fresh MOT, and a 93-point pre-delivery inspection, checking over the car to see if any tyres need changing or if any brakes need changing. They will be getting done as part of prep. So let's walk around the spec today, shall we? Daytona Grey Pearl, outstanding colour. Having a look at it from the front, the condition towards the paint is exceptional. We've got a full exterior styling kit with this one, low line, so you can see you get that front splitter, side skirts, diffuser and spoiler. There's spats coming out back there as well. With the front and rear parking sensors, the matrix LED lighting system, and check out these alloys, absolutely superb. We've got the Y-spoke diamond cut effect. Black RS calipers coming through there as well. Black on the window surrounds and privacy glass, your all-important tilt and slide glass pan roof. Again, the condition of the paintwork is exceptional. Coming to the back, gloss black spoiler, black Audi rings, the splitter, the Audi RS Sports exhaust system. Here is the boot space that you get with the RS3. What to be expected for the saloon. What's your preference? Saloon or hatch? I personally think the RS3 saloon is the superior shape. Then we get to the interior. Ambient lighting, 12-volt charger port, diamond quilted leathers or honeycomb quilted leathers, Isofix on the outer seats, central armrest for your rear passengers. You get a good amount of headspace towards the back as well. Come and have a look inside the car from the driver's perspective. As you can see there, 2 functional electric heated memory seat, ambient lighting, wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, head-up display, digital dashboard, virtual cockpit. The condition's outstanding, a truly remarkable performance car, a perfect daily, and available today for £46,990. This car's been very well maintained and looked after with the full Audi Service History, 41502 exactly on the clock, Bang & Olufsen speaker system with this one as well, with the heated wing mirrors, just a beautiful arrival. Seriously impressive. And if you are in the market for an RS3 and you're contemplating buying this one, if you have any further questions, please feel free to pick that phone up and give us a call. But for now, thank you for watching, and bye for now.